The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter was made possible by a contribution from Cosmos. Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad.
I'm Meg the Daughter.
And today we're going to open up
Roll for Adventure, and this is from Cosmos.
Yeah, this is another game that we featured in our Gen Con preview. Got to check it out, and there's little skulls in there.
Cool.
So let's open up and we can show you the little bitty itty bitty heads. Okay, so we actually did a preview of this at Gen Con. So, Megan, I'll let you go ahead.
This just reminds me of the thing from Star Wars.
It does. Looks like the space slug.
Yeah. Is that literally all it's called? The
I think
space
so.
slug. Here's the back. 2 to 4 players, 10 and up. Half an hour to play. This box is actually really light. It doesn't feel like there's a lot to it. So here is our rule book. Fate lies in your hands. So setup, gameplay, defeating enemies, end of game, game with special enemies, and then the B-side.
The B-side.
There's the B-side. So here we got punch outs. So these are really cool. I like how all of these are they're not like cards, so you know your actual cardboard chunky bits. So there's some more. Summoner looks a little weird there. And then here's the board, actually. So this is the A side. So you have...
Actually, you can put it together.
You can. Any way you want to. So it doesn't have to be that way. And then there's the B side. So yeah.
One person or one thing popped out.
There we go. Yep. The Jewel of Light fell out. So you have the Sword of Saints, the Crown of Kings, and the Book of Magic. So you have that and some other punch out bits. Deck of cards I'll let you open up in here. Here's the back insert with extra baggies because we got all those punch out bits. And deck of cards you've just opened up for me. Alright, so here we have some different things. Tree Shrikes.
Pretty cool art.
Wood Demons. Minotaur. Sand Devil. That looks like it's from the Mummy.
It does.
Yep. Giant Scorpion. Hey, the bigger, the less venomous, according to Indiana Jones.
Yeah, but that also looks like it's right out of the Scorpion King. Or
Just
the second Mummy
chomp
movie.
On it. Ugh. Just eats it. There you go.
There's
There's your
your
Star Wars. Vampire bats as opposed to fruit bats or regular bats. Crypt Spirit, and the Black Knight. So
It's a flesh wound.
It's just a flesh wound. White Wolf.
White wolf.
White Wolf.
Is that Bucky?
It is Bucky. A cave troll. It's not in the dungeon. It's in the cave.
Just thought you should
Thought
know.
you should know. And an ice
I
monster.
thought he was playing like a nice guitar. Like an air guitar, but a nice guitar.
It's a nice guitar. Dragons. Couple of those with
several of those.
Yeah, the different dice pips there. Phantom.
Of the opera.
Maybe. There's a couple of those, so
Several.
different numbers. Giant. Couple of those again. Master of Shadows. That looks cool. And some blanks. Alright. And then Explanation of a Turn. So that's good to have.
Player colors.
I'm assuming they
rates.
coordinate, I think, with the colors on those boards over there, too. So there's 4 of those in your primary colors. Then the Master of Shadow appears. So all enemies in play attack, roll territory die, and place the card back into the draw pile. So there's those cards. And hold out your hand, we'll show off these dice. Alright. These are kind of cool looking.
Yeah, they kind of have like a marble look.
I like that. I think it's really cool. It's not just,
know.
your solid color.
I don't know if you can really see that very well on the camera.
Kinda, yeah.
But it is. They're pretty neat. So very cool looking.
And we have big die there.
Now, why they put this in its own little plastic baggie? It's a little odd, but
Save the turtles. Less plastic.
Save the turtles.
Save the turtles.
You can see the
different territories.
Yeah,
It's kind of cool.
looks pretty neat.
And they're already like pre-stickered. You don't have to worry about that.
Well, and it's nice and shiny.
Yeah.
They're not. It's not really sticker. It's I
like,
think probably heat transfer or something.
So that's nice.
Looks really nice.
And here's those little skulls we were talking about. They're itty bitty. They're really cool. They kind of have like that marbly, like finish. They're really detailed, so like you can see all their teeth in there, and like different cracked veins and
Yeah, they are
rottiness. They're kind of
pretty
creepy,
sharp.
yeah, but they're super cool though, and these have some weight to them too.
Yeah, there's some heft to it.
Yep. So that's it.
Yeah, that is a Roll for Adventure from Cosmos, and we will catch you guys next time.
Bye.
If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.